Tired of your Twilio integrations failing because of authentication errors? In this video, we'll demystify the process of finding your Twilio Auth Token, ensuring your applications connect seamlessly and securely, and we will do this in under 90 seconds. Let's get started. First, head over to the Twilio website and log into your Twilio account. Make sure you're using the account you intend to work with. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Twilio Console. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your Twilio account. Right on the dashboard, you'll see the account info section here. You'll find your account SID and Auth Token. Notice that the Auth Token is initially hidden for security reasons. To reveal it, simply click the icon next to the token. Clicking the icon reveals your Auth Token. Remember, this token is like a password, so treat it with utmost care. Do not share it publicly or commit it to version control systems. Copy the Auth Token and store it securely. Your application's configuration or environment variables prevents it from being hard-coded directly into your code. And that's it. You've successfully located your Twilio Auth Token. By following these steps, you can ensure your Twilio integrations are authenticated properly. Now you can build powerful communication solutions with confidence.